Today I'm making homemade butter pecan fudge. Welcome to White Shadow Fare, where I'm making it homemade and I'm making it with love. Chop and measure out 1 cup of diced pecans. Toast the pecans in the oven at 350 degrees for about 5 minutes. Keep an eye on them so they don't burn. While your pecans are in the oven, go ahead and grab a square 8-inch pan and prepare it with parchment paper and spray that. You can do it with foil. This just makes getting the fudge out and cutting it easier at the end. Get your toasted nuts and place them off to the side. You'll need 2 cups of powdered sugar that you have sifted, and place that off to the side as well. Grab a heavy pot that is tall enough because this mixture will rise as you are cooking it. Into that you're going to place 1 stick of butter, which is a 1/2 cup, along with 1 teaspoon of butter, a 1/2 cup of sugar, a 1/2 cup of brown sugar, a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 cup of heavy whipping cream, stir frequently until it starts to boil. Once your mixture starts to boil, you'll be taking the temperature. You're looking for the thermometer to reach 235 degrees Fahrenheit. Perfect. We're at 235 degrees, so it's ready to take it off the heat. Once your mixture is off the heat, add 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla. Be very careful, this liquid is super hot. Stir in your 2 cups of powdered sugar, a little at a time. Once it's completely blended in, you're going to add your pecans. That looks nice and smooth. Keep out a few of the pecans to add to the top for later. Cool for at least 2 hours before slicing. Butter pecan fudge would make the perfect gift for somebody else or yourself. I hope you'll give this one a try. Thank you for joining me at White Shadow Fare. If you haven't done so already, please like and subscribe.